Hi, my name is Lisette Guerrero, and today is March 1st, 2018. And we just performed a cow eye dissection. So we're going to go over some interesting parts of the anatomy of the cow eye. So one of the things that I found very interesting was, particularly in our specimen, was the optic nerve in the papers shows that it's supposed to, kind of stick out. For some reason, there was not much muscle or fat on the back of the eye, but we do see that the optic nerve does come out right here. And we did, well, I took this off, but you can see the little entrance there for the optic nerve. I found it interesting that the retina of the eye, which is the back part, is very shiny, like metallic. So I think that was something that was pretty cool. The whole time I was kind of scared that we were gonna pop the actual eye when we were trying to cut the fat and the muscle. So it was good to know that we didn't. Another cool part was when we opened up the eye and we put it between the posterior and the anterior, we found this part right here, which kind of looks like a candy of some sort, but it's actually the lens. This is the lens of the eye. So, I mean, never before this class did I imagine that the lens of our eye is gonna look like this. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then we got to touch the vitreous fluid, which is kind of like slimy. It's a little gross. But yeah, this is what was found inside, along with a lot of fluid, or a good amount of fluid. And then the iris, I couldn't have imagined before that we can actually take it out and that it would look like this. But this is pretty cool in itself, and this is the colored part of our eye. And then, then the lens just kind of sits here in the back, and that's how we see things. But yeah, so this is the anatomy of the cow eye. Thank you very much.